Hello, friends. This is Phil. Today is going to be a very short podcast, or I'm going to try and keep it within a few minutes, let's say, because I've got a bit. The sun's out, and I've got to get back on site to finish a lawn renovation that I started this morning. So, look, I've been looking at the analytics on the All Gardening website. And if you're wondering, what are the analytics, Phil? The analytics are the data behind the visitors to the website. Now, some of that data is visible to me and some of it is not, depending on whether the visitor has restricted their privacy in terms of their data. But look, there is data there to be seen. Okay, and I've been looking at it. And one of the things that's become visible that wasn't visible this time last year is more people are coming to the website. In effect, not more people, there is a definite trend of people coming to the All Gardening website to look for lawn food subscription or lawn fertilizer subscription or lawn care subscription. There is traffic coming under kind of that guise of information. So the question I ponder, and the question I'm putting to you actually, my dear friend, what do I do with that traffic? Now, the theory being of All Gardening is obviously I'm based in North Yorkshire in the United Kingdom. Now, that means that I can only work on lawns, in gardens, in and around an area of 10 square metres from my base, which kind of means that an awful lot of the traffic that will hit the All Gardening website, I can't service. But let's say there's two thoughts that are happening here, which I started thinking about last year, but didn't really solve. The two thoughts are is I'd love to do a subscription service for lawn fertilizer, because one of the things is it's such a convenient and easy idea to actually have fertilizer delivered every 10 weeks or so when your lawn needs it, designed for your lawn, a kind of like having milk delivered or your home delivery delivered or your dog food delivered, something very convenient that actually, when it gets delivered, you do something with it. And in the case of a lawn fertilizer, a lawn food subscription service, it's obvious when the fertilizer delivers, what you'd meant to do is in the following few days is distribute the fertilizer on your lawn. So look, here's the thought that I'm lingering, or this say I'm looking at, is this time last year there was not much evidence of the people looking for a lawn fertilizer subscription. I knew there was possibly demand for it, but look, now I have traffic to the website seeking lawn food subscription or lawn fertilizer subscription or lawn care subscription. So the one thing that I'm trying to do now, and you can help me, my friends, is could you possibly search for lawn fertilizer subscription and see whether All Gardening comes up? And if it does come up, can you click on the link wherever you are in the world, wherever you are in the UK? Can you just click on the link as a kind of an indication that you might think it's a good idea to do lawn fertilizer subscription? Look, the thing I do know is that you can go to the garden centre, let's say, or go to your local hardware store and pick up a bag of fertiliser. But all too often, it's not really designed for your lawn or your area. It's not really designed and it's not timely. You might not even be putting the fertiliser down at the right time or the right type at the right time. So one of the benefits, one of the USPs, the unique selling point of lawn food subscription is, depending on where you order your lawn food from, it's tailored and designed and released to you when your lawn needs it. So It's an idea that's evolving, but the simple thing is I've observed that there is traffic building to the All Gardening website in search of lawn food subscription or lawn fertilizer subscription or lawn care subscription. So look, do me a favor, if you've got a minute, in the description there's a link probably to the website, and if you can, either click on that link and then go searching for lawn food subscription because it is there to be found, or can you type into Google or whichever search engine you're looking at lawn fertilizer subscription or lawn food subscription, see if All Gardening comes up, and if it does, click on the link just so I know that there's a little bit more interest there than I think there is there, kind of thing, if you get my drift. Anyway, look, I've got to get back on site because the sun is out, the sky's blue, the lawns have been scarified, and reseeding or dressing needs to be done before the end of the day because it's forecast to rain for the rest of the week. Bleh, rubbish. It won't rain for the rest of the week, but the forecast today is perfect. Anyway, look, catch you soon. Thanks for listening. Take care. Ta-da, bye.